This is how you play Don't Look Back in Anger by Oasis. There's about 3 sections to the song. We're going to put the chords right here. Slip inside the eye of your mind. Don't you know you might find a better place to play? So that's the verse. You can repeat that a few times. And then it goes into the pre-chorus. So I start a revolution from my pen, 'cause the brains that you said that I had went to my head. Does that a few times, and then it goes into this part where it goes, stand up beside the fireplace, take that look from off your face, 'cause you ain't ever gonna burn my heart out. Seven chord. Here's the chorus. And so Sally can wait. She knows it's too late as she's walking on by. And it repeats that. That's how you play it.